So let's go over our first quiz solution. So the first question is asking us to determine the molar mass of silver nitrate. So either using periodic table or an app. We know that silver is 107.9. We know nitrogen is 14.0067. And we know oxygen, and we have three of them, is 15.9994. We take all of this together, we should get an answer that approaches 169.87 grams per mole. Question 2, how many moles are present in 25 grams of lithium carbonate? So we need to find the molar mass of lithium carbonate. So the molar mass of lithium carbonate is 66.950. Remember, that's grams per mole. We're going to start with what we know. We have 25.00 grams of lithium carbonate, and there are 66.950 grams of lithium carbonate in 1 mole of lithium carbonate. So grams of lithium carbonate cancel. And now all we need to do is simplify. And we obtain an answer of 0.373 moles of lithium carbonate. Finally, number 3, how many grams are contained in 0.889 moles of NaOH? Again, I'm going to start with what I know. Molar mass of NaOH is 40 grams of NaOH. And I messed that up. Let me go back. Because that should not go in the denominator. That should go in the numerator. 1 mole of NaOH is 40 grams of NaOH. I get an answer of 35.56 grams of NaOH.